Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about clothes, so let's get started. What was the occasion you last bought clothes? You could simply say, the occasion was my cousin's wedding. Or the event that comes to mind is my cousin's wedding. What did you wear, and where did you buy the clothes? I wore a black suit that I bought from my local store. Or, for the occasion, I chose to wear a well-fitted black suit I had purchased from a nearby boutique. What did other people think of your clothes at the occasion? My family and friends said I looked very nice. Or, I received several compliments from both my relatives and friends who mentioned that my outfit looked quite elegant. Okay, so only 3 questions today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home, as it's intended to give you insight into the topic at hand. Certain occasions, such as weddings or award ceremonies, demand a level of formality that goes beyond our daily attire. These events often mark important milestones, and our choice of clothing becomes a symbolic representation of our respect and recognition for the significance of the moment. The attire we wear on special occasions is immortalized in photographs and memories. These images become a part of our personal history, reminding us of the joyous or solemn moments we shared with loved ones. As the years pass, these photographs evoke nostalgia and become a cherished reminder of the event. Putting on our best clothes not only enhances our physical appearance, but also boosts our confidence. The right attire can make us feel more empowered and ready to take on the occasion with a positive attitude. Additionally, our choice of clothing serves as a form of self-expression, allowing us to convey our personality, values, and style to others. It can also serve as an icebreaker, initiating conversations and connections among attendees. On special occasions, we often come into contact with people we haven't seen in a while. Our attire sends a visual message about our life and experiences since the last meeting. Different cultures place varying levels of importance on dressing well for special occasions. In some cultures, specific colors, patterns, or type of attire are worn to convey cultural traditions, beliefs, and values. Adhering to these cultural norms shows respect for the occasion and the community. The process of selecting and acquiring this clothes adds to the overall anticipation and enjoyment of the occasion. Purchasing special occasion attire can be an exciting experience. It evokes careful consideration of the event, the desired look, and finding the perfect ensemble that matches our vision. Dressing our best for special occasions extends beyond the superficial act of wearing fine clothes. It reflects our appreciation for the event's significance, allows us to create lasting memories, boosts our confidence, facilitates social interaction, and often respects cultural traditions. As we celebrate life's milestones, our attire becomes a testament to our readiness to embrace the moment and share it with those around us. Great, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Let's go. Significance, attire, symbolic representation, milestones, formality, empowered, nostalgia, icebreaker, cultural norms, anticipation, ensemble, elegance, ravishing, impeccable, style statement, satirical choice, cultural traditions, dapper, memorabilia, glamorous. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercise. Have a go at some of these yourself. Instead of saying, what was the occasion for which you dressed your best, you could say, for what event did you wear your finest attire? In another example, you said, what were you wearing and where did you purchase the clothing? Describe the outfit you had and share where you acquired those clothes. How did other people at the event react to your clothing? What was the response of the attendees to your attire during the event? I wore my best clothes at my wedding last year. Last year I dressed in my finest attire for a wedding. The outfit I wore was a formal dress that I purchased from a boutique. I had on a formal gown I bought from a boutique. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you luck. Thank you as always for watching. I'll see you in the next one.